Sounds like a long shot.
It was a long shot.
Not by a long shot.
She's a food blogger. It's a long shot, but we need to get some exposure.
No pod is worth 2 slaves, not by a long shot.
I know it's a long shot, but I figure Paul Finch might ask me.
And one system shows promise.
And one, that's a bit of a long shot, isn't it?
Your theory is a real long shot. It would be irresponsible to get her hopes up.
We all knew Operation Playtime was a long shot.
More like a misfire.
It's all in my reports.
No. No, it's not. Not by a long shot.
So I read about a new clinical trial on the web yesterday. Now, I know it's a long shot, but I emailed them.
I knew it was a long shot. I just wanted Cal to see how much his father loves him. I thought you would understand.
I figured that was a long shot going in.
Long shot? What are you talking about? Going to Bali, that was kind of a long shot.
Every soul can be saved.
Is that true, young cleric?
Yes. Though UIC is a bit of a long shot.
I know that it's a long shot, but I sent Daniel Day-Lewis the blue rose along with a note and a rose bush that only grows in Ireland. I don't know. I thought it might be a special touch.
What the hell are you doing up there?
I got an idea, McCroskey, and it might just work. It's a long shot, but it's the only shot we've got. I want to use the bomb to blow the computer.
Okay, when I sent the invites, it was a long shot that you'd even reply, and now you've come all this way for a wedding. Surely there must have been some special reason for you to be here.
Someone's out to get me. And I know I'm not the best guy born, not by a long shot. And if there's a world after this one, I will face judgment just like you.
So I'm Spider-Man. And I'm not the only one. Not by a long shot.